guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be making simple delicious Victorian sponge cake. Before I introduce you to the ingredients, if today is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. My name is Billy. On this channel we bring you variety of recipes, lifestyle as well as tips. I hope you enjoy your time here. So let's get into today's video. Here are my ingredients which I'm going to be using to make today's Victorian sponge cake. I've got 2 cups of plain flour. I'm going to be using 500 grams of caster sugar. I've got 4 large eggs, 1.5 tablespoons of sunflower oil, vanilla extract, baking powder, 250 grams of butter, and over here 150 ml of yogurt. So let's get into today's video. Here is my mixer. I'm going to start to mix the butter as well as the sugar. So if you don't have this mixer, you can always use hand mixer. It's just that it's going to take a little bit of your time. So yeah, but you can still use the hand mixer as well. So my sugar is going there as well. So let's mix our sugar and butter. So here is my butter and sugar is mixing really well. I'm going to continue to mix this on for about 10 minutes before adding the rest of the ingredients. So let's have a look. I'm just going to mix it. Oh wow, this has really mixed well. So now I'm going to add the eggs. Here are my eggs. I'm going to add it in there. I'm going to mix together. Let's have a look. Now I'm going to add my yogurt. Here my yogurt go in there. Continue to mix. So now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So I'm going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Now I'm going to mix. So here is my mixture. I'm going to add the flour. Here is my flour. I've already added 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now I'm going to transfer this flour into this mixture. You have to put it on a low heat. Let's have a look at our cake. Wow, look at that, so smooth. think this is okay. Here is my cake mixture. I'm just going to give it a little bit of mix together, then this will go into my baking pan. Here is my baking pan. I've already greased it. Now I'm going to transfer my butter. So now I'm going to bake in the oven. My Victorian sponge cake is now ready. It's so quick and easy to make. If you want to see how I make my buttercream, leave your comments below. I would really appreciate it. Please like my video, share to families and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Goodbye.